In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So for today's project, I'm going to be doing some easy nursery wall decor using some dinosaur wood cutouts that I got from the dollar store, and then I'm reusing a canvas that I messed up on that I spray painted completely black. So that's a good tip. If you have a canvas and you mess up on it, just spray paint it a solid color and reuse it for something else. And this wall decor is going to look so chic, but it's going to be so simple. So like I said before, I've already spray painted the canvas black, and here I am just lining everything up, trying to decide where I'm going to place everything, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down. And I'm using the E6000 hot glue method to make it secure, but to hold it in place faster. And lastly, I used some letters that I got from the dollar store to add a word at the bottom to make the wall art even more cute. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.